Hello everyone. Today, as we informed you, we are going to show you the making of the cold pressed jojoba oil. So the seeds are going inside, as you can see. You would find slowly we would be doing about 100 kgs of cold pressing today. And I'll show you now the oil is dripping. I'll show it to you. So this is a cold pressed jojoba oil. So now the oil, what happens is you can see some sediments inside the oil, right? But what happens is when the oil is left overnight, the sediments settle down, which is called sludge. And the oil above it is a pure oil, pure cold pressed oil. In the cold pressing oil, it is always maintained that the temperature do not rise above 40 degrees centigrades. It's always cold pressed in the room temperature. It's always cold pressed in the room temperature only. While in the hot press oil, the usual refined oils that we usually find in the market are are pressed at a very high temperature, and this is simply because of the yield, because at a high temperature there is a high yield that is always derived, while there are certain drawbacks to the hot press oil. Cold press is the best oil, and you can see the temperature is anyhow not rising beyond this 17-18 degrees centigrade. So this is a purely a cold press oil. So this is a snana.com. Here you can go to the wellness category at the cold pressed oils, and there you find the category of the cold pressed oils. Snana does cold pressing of more than about 20 varieties of seeds, nuts, sourced majorly from India only. We really believe in supporting the farmers directly. So here we find the jojoba oil. So we click on the jojoba oil. So I want to tell you that jojoba oil is very effective for the skin care, hair care of all age groups, including the acne. The oil does not clog the pores, so it's very good for the acne sensitive skin at the same time. Uh, I think this is so. Here we reach the page of the pure cold pressed jojoba oil. There are different sizes available of packaging sizes. Then here we have a little description of how it works, and there are certain FAQs that people usually have, so we decided to just compile and put them on the website for the ease of our customers. That can jojoba oil grow hair? You can read these here, how to use it on the face, how to use for the overnight application, stretch marks. Then at the same time, how about the skin cancer? Then is it edible? How it is best used? What are the multiple purposes it carries? Should the jojoba pure cold press needs dilution in any other oil before application? What is the shelf life? So there are so many questions. I want to tell you that jojoba is a oil which is super rich with antioxidants and hence has a good shelf life at the same time. And here we have a detailed description on how jojoba oil benefits the skin. And here we have some images of the cultivation. So here, this is a jojoba tree. It is a shrub kind of a tree. It can, it is grown and can withstand the temperature till 55 degrees centigrades as well. Do not need water much. So it's becoming a very promising crop for the farmers in the desert states. Especially in India, when it comes to in India, it is the Rajasthan. So we have a close association with the farmer, and these are his farm's pictures. And then I want to tell you that these are they have the small berries which are grown on it, and the berries are then dried and collected, and that's how we get the simple berries as we had shown it to you. And so here, there are certain research evidences also that actually supports the usage of jojoba oil for skin and hair. So we have put it very, in a very crisp manner for you for a quick understanding how it works. And it's basically it repairs the skin, provides anti-inflammatory effect, It is antioxidant effect, contains and can heal the wounds and work on aging skin at the same time. So these are some of the research evidence that we have. I want to tell you that it is a very light and non-greasy oil. I must tell you that, see, if I show you, like this is the oil that I've taken in my hand. See, it's a very non-greasy oil. Very soon you would find that the oil evaporates. So it's a very, you do not get the feel of chipku greasiness after the application of this oil. You can use it as a after shower oil instead of a lotion. And I must tell you, you would find super results on its application. Even if you apply for a 1 month's time, you would find there's no itch. A bottle lasts much longer than a bottle of a lotion. So there are multiple benefits to it. So here, it's like over the past couple of years, there has been a major demand of this jojoba seed oil in the skincare industry. And it is a super lubricant at the same time. And, it's like it is very suitable for acne, oily skin. It is suitable for all skin types, but people with acne, oily skin, prone to acne, pimples, are really having a very few selected options, as many of the oils which are rich with oleic can actually clog the pores, worse the acne conditions. But this is one oil which actually resembles our sebum and is very helpful for them to moisturize the skin. Especially, there arises no concern of acne when using the oil. So, and at the same time, the newborn babies, the infants, the oil is absolutely a best skin moisturizer for them, for the face, body, hair, everywhere. It's a very good oil. So here, as I mentioned you, how we, from where do we source it? So here it is. It's an Indian produce only. So here are these such information that has been very much updated on our website, snana.com, and with some frequently asked questions. And so you can just have a visit. You can actually incorporate this oil into your daily routine as a after shower oil in place of a lotion. This way you're actually going healthy. You are not applying chemicals and preservatives that you usually find in a bottle of lotion. At the same time, you can use it as a hair oil, a very light, non-greasy hair oil. People who really do not apply oil because they are wary of the greasiness can actually look forward to this oil. At the same time, this makes a super face oil too, I must tell you. Some kind of essential oils can be added to jojoba oil for an added benefit. That depends on the skin type, but it can be used as a career oil, fixed oil, and it works super, I must tell you. So this way, using the cold pressed oil that suits your skin, you can actually go natural. When we are looking forward to buying, serums need not necessarily be completely natural and organic despite their claims. So when you're actually looking for an oil and using it in your daily routine with do it yourself, you're actually getting into the you're actually following the natural course for your skin and hair care things. So this is how it is. Snana has its own cold pressing units. Snana has its own steam distillation units to make essential oils, to make hydrosols, and all that we produce are absolutely edible, the best of the quality, which we have been getting in our ancient times. So see you next time with more videos coming up soon at Snana. Stay tuned. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much.